Namaste. Today we are doing 5 best yoga asana that you should do daily as female. So let's begin. First of all, come into the squatting position. Your feet about hip width apart. Lift your chest up. Keeping back, neck and spine straight. Palm together. And press your elbows against your knees and calf muscles, against your legs. Each asana you can hold for 30 seconds to up to 1 minute. Exhale, release. Then bring your right hand around the right leg. Left hand goes back and interlock your fingers. And inhale, lift your chest. As you exhale, twist to the left. Exhale, come back, change your side, left hand around the left leg, right hand on the back, interlock your fingers. Inhale, as you exhale, twist to the right. Inhale back. And go onto your sitting bones, join the sole of the feet together. Hold with your hands. Lift your chest nice, upright and straight. Shake your legs. Gradually stop. Hold the toe with your 2 fingers. Bring your elbows onto your thighs. Inhale, lift your chest, and as you exhale, bend forward. Go as forward as you can without hunch and without strain and pain. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Then go into cat. Bring your right foot forward as you can, and try to stretch your leg, toes towards your face, heel out. Try to keep your back straight. Then foot flat on the ground and bring the knee and ankle in one line, so about 90 degrees. Push your hip down, look forward. Then bend your knee, grab with your hands, inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right. Exhale, release. Then go back to cat pose. Chain the leg, left foot forward, and stretching all the way till it starts to be straight. Then foot flat on the ground. Knee and ankle in one line. Push your hip down, look forward. And bend your knee, hold with your hand. Inhale. As you exhale, twist yourself to the left. Exhale, release. Go back into Asana. Then drop to the left. Right leg around the left knee. Hold the right leg with your left hand. Right hand on the back. Inhale, lift your chest up. As you exhale, twist to the right. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Hold your right leg with your left hand on the back. Inhale, lift your chest up. And as you exhale, twist to the left. This posture is the key to stay young. The longer you hold, the younger you stay. Inhale, come back and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Give a moment to become aware of your body, become aware of your breath, and see how your mind and body has become one. Then gently thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.